Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zombie face on Dress to Impress. If you want the full look, it's super simple, but I'm just going to be focusing on the face. So you don't need custom makeup for this. You just need to have those like white eyes, and you also don't need VIP. So for the hair, I used 1, 2, 3, all in black. This one's in animated. So for the accessories and the adjustments, I did this hat in 690C0E, which is just this red here, and I did foil, I think. For the adjustment, I did X at 0.42, Y at 0.45, Z at 0.44, rotate X at 0.42, Y at 0.28, Z at 0.39, and I scaled it down to 0.14. For the flowers, I just colored it all the same red and in foil. And for the adjustment, I did position X at 0.41, Y at 0.46, Z at 0.45, rotation X at 0.68, Y at 1.0, Z at 0.50, and scale it to 0.34. Then for the other part of this brain, I used this at the same color too, red foil, X at 0.38, Y at 0.38, Z at 0.52, and scaled it to 0.24. For the eyes, I used the one from the Azami tutorial. I did the round earrings in white, position it at X 0.62, Y 0.48, Z 0.51, rotate X at 0.51, Y at 0, Z at 0.20, and scaled it to 0.83. And for the eyeballs, I did these earrings, colored it all black, X at 0.53, Y at 0.55, and Z at 0.38, rotated at X 0.42, Y at 0, Z at 0.32, and the scale at 0.36. For the mouth, I used the halo. I did this red. It is a little bit darker than the usual red. And for the positioning, X at 0.50, Y at 0.02, Z at 0.75, rotation X at 0.21, and scaled it to 0.45. And for the teeth, I did use the Style Showdown crown in white. Position Y at 0.34, Z at 0.46, rotation X at 0, and scaled it to 0 as well. And that is how you can create this scary looking zombie face on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.